There's a moment you've probably noticed. You stand up from your chair and your legs feel uncertain, just for a second. You might grab the armrest without thinking, and somewhere in the back of your mind you wonder, when did that start? Here's a number that should stop you cold. After 60, your body loses up to 5% of its muscle mass every single decade. But for many seniors, it's happening much faster because of ordinary daily habits nobody ever warned them about. And the worst part? Most people don't feel it until their legs are already weak, until the stairs get harder, until standing up requires a moment of preparation. That's not just aging, that's sarcopenia, and it's quietly stealing independence from millions of seniors right now. But it doesn't have to steal yours. Quick note, this video is educational only. Please consult your doctor before changing your routine. If this is your first time here, welcome. Drop your city in the comments. I love knowing where this community is watching from. And if you find value here, subscribe. We post every week for people over 60 who refuse to slow down. Sarcopenia affects nearly 45% of adults over 70, and according to the CDC, falls are the #1 cause of injury-related death among older Americans. But the research is equally clear: muscle loss is not inevitable. The right daily habits, started at any age, can slow it dramatically, in many cases, reverse it. 4 habits, each one backed by science. Each one starts this week. Habit number 4, spread your protein, don't stack it. Most seniors have heard eat more protein, but the how matters just as much as the how much. After 60, your muscles become anabolically resistant. They stop responding to protein the way they did decades ago. Current guidelines recommend 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. Leading muscle researchers now say adults over 60 need 1.2 to 1.6 grams. For a 150-pound person, that's roughly 80 to 100 grams daily. But here's what most people get wrong. They eat almost no protein at breakfast, a little at lunch, then pile it all into dinner. That doesn't work. Your muscles can only use so much at once. Spread it across 3 meals, roughly 25 to 30 grams each. 2 eggs and Greek yogurt at breakfast gets you there. A chicken breast at lunch. Fish or beans at dinner. Same total protein, dramatically better results. Habit number 3, walk like you're late. Slow daily walks feel productive, and they are good for your heart, but for muscle preservation, they're almost useless. Muscle responds to challenge. It needs resistance to receive the signal that it's still needed. A University of Pittsburgh study found that seniors who incorporated brief bursts of brisk walking retained significantly more lower body muscle over 2 years. You don't need a gym. Just pick up your pace for 30 to 60 seconds 2 or 3 times during your regular walk. Walk like you're slightly late for something important, then ease back. Simple, free, starts today. Habit number 2, sleep like it's training. Deep sleep is when your body releases the majority of its growth hormone, the chemical that repairs and regenerates muscle overnight. When sleep is poor, that repair window gets cut short. Your muscles accumulate damage faster than they recover. Research from Harvard Medical School found that older adults with chronic sleep disruption showed accelerated muscle loss and significantly lower grip strength. And grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of longevity in seniors. No screen time 30 minutes before bed, cool, dark room, consistent sleep and wake times, and here's something most seniors don't know. A small serving of protein before bed, like cottage cheese or a hard-boiled egg, provides amino acids your muscles can use during overnight repair. One study found it reduced morning stiffness in older adults. If sleep has been a long-term struggle, talk to your doctor, because every night of poor sleep is a night your muscles don't fully recover. Habit number 1, and this is the one that holds everything together. Resistance training.
Twice a week, even gentle resistance training. Before you skip past this, hear what the research actually says. Let me tell you about Robert, 73, retired electrician. Knees hurt, balance shaky. His daughter wanted him to move in with her, but Robert didn't want to give up his home. So he started simple: wall push-ups in the kitchen, resistance bands while watching TV, twice a week, 15 minutes. 4 months later, he told me, "I'm not stronger than I was at 50, but I'm strong enough to stay in my own house." That's what resistance training gives you, not your youth back, but your independence back. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology followed adults aged 65 to 80 through a light resistance program: bands, body weight movements, simple exercises, just twice a week for 16 weeks. Participants gained 2 to 3 pounds of lean muscle. Walking speed improved. Fall risk dropped significantly. But here's the part that surprises almost everyone. The oldest participants, those in their late 70s and early 80s, showed the greatest relative improvement. Your muscles do not stop responding because of age. They stop responding because the signal stops. Resistance training restores that signal. You don't need a gym. Seated leg raises, wall push-ups, resistance bands from your living room chair. 15 to 20 minutes twice a week. That's it. Protein feeds the muscle. Sleep repairs it. Walking maintains it. But resistance training is the habit that tells your body, at any age, at any starting point, that strength is still required. And your body listens every single time. Here's the truth nobody says plainly enough. Muscle loss after 60 is common, but it is not a life sentence. Your body is still responding. Your muscles are still listening. They just need the right signals, consistently over time. More protein spread across the day. Walks with brief bursts of effort. Sleep that's protected like it's medicine. And resistance training twice a week, no matter how small you start. Pick one habit. Start this week. Just one. Because strong legs aren't just about movement. They're about staying in your home, doing what you love, living on your terms. Before you go, which of these 4 habits surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you today, hit like and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. You still have so much ahead of you. Take care of yourself, because the people who love you still need you standing on your own 2 feet.